So our objective is to draw this object, which we did on top here, on this new perspective guide. Okay, so let's start. First, make sure that you are using your pen slayer. So pen 4 or pen 5, it doesn't matter. We also need to unlock that if it's ever locked. Okay, and so let's begin now. We just align L, enter, and we want to make the square here, which is on the right side at the very end. So we can make the square by tracing over. Make sure your intersection and endpoints are on. Okay, and then press escape when you're done. And make sure on your OSNAP that your intersection and endpoint are turned on. You don't need center. Okay. And the next, we also want this other square here on the left side. Okay, and where is that? Well, it's going to be here on the, if you zoom closer, you should be able to see that this is on the third or close to the edge over here. Okay, so we're going to again do a line and trace over, and it's on this edge over here. Okay. Alright, so where you begin, all lines are going to go to the vanishing points over here. So we can do a line and touch here and go there. Okay, and that means that we are doing this top edge here. Okay, this edge over here is behind it. It's right over here, so we don't need to draw it. Okay, and then we can now draw this edge here. Okay, and that edge here goes from this all the way to this left vanishing point. Oh, make sure that you attach to the vanishing point. Okay. Now to find where this end edge here meets this edge, you have to draw this intersection first, this line here. Okay, and this line is connecting to this corner, and this corner is this corner here. So we have to first draw that line to the vanishing point. Okay, and that will be the edge here that's invisible. Okay, and that's where the line that goes down here will start. So we have to do a line at the intersection of those pen 4 and just simply go down. So how far are you going to go down? Well, you can go down up to this edge, because this edge here, which you can see from the top, is really right here, and you can't see it. So we're just gonna trim, TR, enter to trim this, and then we can also trim this, or we can do a fillet. Actually, we don't need this anymore. We just erase this. Then we can just do a fillet here. Okay, and that's this corner over here. Let's now use the bottom edge here. So we can do a line, and then we are again going to attach here. Okay, and that's this bottom edge here. Now, how will I know how to draw this? Well, that edge is going to be from this corner. Okay, this corner here. So from the bottom here, from this bottom here, you're gonna go up, because that's the bottom. Okay, the bottom is a straight 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then it's 1. So here's your bottom, 1, 2, 3, and it's 1. So it's really right here from this intersection going up. Okay, press escape, and then you can do a fillet. Okay, and then this is connected to each other just like this L shape here, so you do a fillet again. Alright, so those are the hard parts. Let's now use this bottom edge, and this bottom edge is starting from this corner here. So we're going to do another line from this corner all the way to this end here, and then trace back and then connect here. So that's the bottom, and then simply go up. Make sure it's straight up, and then this edge here, which we don't see here, Okay, this corner is this corner here, but we don't see this edge. It's below, so we'll do a line, and that needs to vanish to this point. So you can see all the edges are vanishing either left and right. Now we know where the corner is, so you simply do a fillet, and then simply do a line. And if we vanish this line to the right side here, it will connect to this corner. So let's try that. Let's vanish it here, and you will see it connected it right here. Okay, so we can do another fillet on that one, and then that's basically a new perspective view of this object. Okay.